Greetings everyone. I am here to explain how to access our prototype and also mainly explain our workflow. So when you initially open up the prototype, you get to see the solution we have curated for our problem statement, which gives you a brief idea of the solution. When you click on the app pages on the left, initially you will get to see all the screens that are editable and can give you a bigger picture of the design process we have been through. In the next section, you get to see the screenshots of our app and how they look on a mobile device. Succeeding that section, the next section demonstrates how our app is visible in different languages. For instance, we have designed for 3 languages that are Hindi, English and Telugu. We followed all the design principles throughout this process to make it both visually appealing and easily accessible. I hope you have gotten the entire point of the solution. Thank you for watching and Jai Hind.